Well, hello, folks. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and in this webinar, I'm going to talk about how you can build up a significant long-term passive income by buying real estate in and around Cork, Ireland as a limited partner with our company, Cork Real Estate Group. Cork Real Estate Group is a company that can handle everything for you. We locate the deals, we take out the financing. You don't have to sign on any debt. We take the responsibility for the debt. And then you come in as a limited partner. You get a preferred rate of return. It is fantastic. I'm going to do a disclaimer real quickly, just one paragraph. As accredited investors, you'll be aware that all investments carry some level of risk. This investment's only available to investors who are able to assess their own appetite for risk. So important. So what do we offer? We talk about doing deals with a limited partner. So a limited partner is where you get the ownership, you get the preferred rate of return, but you don't have to do any of the work because your general partner, and in this case, that would be Cork Real Estate Group, is taking care of everything for you. So if the roof needs to be repaired, we take care of it. If the tenant's not paying rent, we take care of it. If the property needs to be re-rented, we take care of it. We handle everything for you so that you can stay focused on your core business. And frankly, if you're a professional, like maybe a dentist, or and you're in a situation where you already got a high income, you know real estate's a good opportunity. It's a great thing to do. We target a doubling time of money of 5 years. Doesn't mean we always are going to be able to double money in exactly 5 years, but our target rate of return is 14.4% per year. That's what we're looking for when we do a deal. And we are interested in compounding growth. We want to search out for high yield properties. Now, I know real estate doesn't normally return a 14.4% rate, but we're going to acquire many of these assets at below market prices. We are focused on the motivated seller market, or the seller that has a package of real estate that they just want to sell all of it. So Cork Real Estate Group offers that seller convenience. Maybe they're a retiring landlord and they simply don't want to hassle with it, and they don't want to have all of the tire kickers come in and make their little lowball offer. They want to deal with professionals and have it all taken care of. Our focus is on acquiring assets that are in Cork, Ireland, but we will sometimes buy outside of Cork, Ireland. I'll explain how that might happen. Maybe we have a seller that has several assets and he wants to sell all of them. Say some of them are in Cork, some maybe one or two are in Dublin. As a convenience for that seller, we can buy all of the assets, but we're searching for deals in Cork. That's where we want to buy. We're trying to get a 7% preferred rate of return to our limited partners, and we're looking to buy assets that are 1 million euro or higher. It doesn't mean that we won't buy things that are less than that, but that's kind of what we like to see in a transaction, something that's over 1 million euros. And, you know, some sort of multifamily, it could be commercial space, it could be whatever it is, as long as we can get a good deal on it, and as long as we know that the rent can cover the debt on it, that it's something that makes sense. And in that case, we're willing to go forward with it. And we are not trying to flip these properties. We are buy and hold investors. We're trying to build up good income streams for our limited partners so that over many years they can benefit from the price appreciation as the years pass, and so that they can have income every quarter, ideally, where it's coming in like clockwork every quarter, the 7% preferred rate of return. And that's something that's a big advantage. If you've ever owned rental properties, you know what a headache it is. It's actually, it looks good on paper, but once you actually start dealing with it, it's a lot of work. And Cork Real Estate Group has an energetic team, and we've got the experience where we can do good for you. So we will do deal after deal. When you participate in our annual investment plan, our annual investment program, each year you might place 50,000 euros, 25,000 euros, 100,000 euros, whatever you're trying to accomplish over a few years, you get on our plan, and then we can get you into several different projects over time. So maybe the first project, pretend it's some sort of an asset that's 1 million euros. We go take out debt for 700,000 euros. We still need the down payment, 300,000 euros. That's where the limited partners come in. And we also are going to need rehab budget. We're going to need working capital reserves, a lot of different things so that we can ultimately make sure that the property's in good condition for the tenant so that we can attract a quality tenant. We don't want a lot of bottom of the barrel tenants. We want some good quality tenants that'll take care of our properties for our limited partners and that are going to pay on time. So that's what we're looking for. But we do all of that for you, and you can actually participate in multiple deals. These deals are not going to be the kind of deals that you can find with your real estate agent, even if you have a very experienced real estate agent that has been in the Cork market for many years. Even if you've got a real estate broker, they're not necessarily going to have access to the deal that Cork Real Estate Group found. And over time, we're targeting the 14.4% rate of return. That is something that lets us double money in approximately 5 years. We don't guarantee that we'll double it in exactly 5 years, but that's what we're shooting for. We offer the potential for better risk-adjusted returns, which means, yeah, there's stuff out there that might make more money, but we're not trying to gamble. We're trying to go for the sure thing. So, and that's better if you don't want to lose the money. I've seen so many people lose money on crypto or day trading. It's just a disaster, and they would have done better just going with a reasonable investment with an experienced general partner. And that's some of the advantages with Cork. You also get all the benefits of taxes. We have all of the tax forms prepared for you so that you can get depreciation on your tax return. We've got a team that prepares all of the paperwork for you. We're looking for the income producing assets. We're not trying to do a lot of development deals. We want to do deals that have income. And basically to invest, it's quite simple. You just reach out to me. Just send me an email, ben.meller@corkrealestategroup.com. Just email ben.meller@corkrealestategroup.com, and we can set up a time and chat about what your goals are. And it's something where this is a really neat program that we've developed. The returns are, we also offer some opportunities for a match bargain early release. If you, for some reason, need the money back early, we can try to work with you on that, though I would recommend that you not go for that. It's better if you can hold the limited partnership interest for 3 years, because after 3 years, it's liquid. So that is something that's a plus there for you. So we do everything. We look forward to